Hello, my name is Octavo. I'm here to walk you through the unboxing experience of the OSDZU3-REF development platform. This is a powerful development and evaluation platform for the OSDZU3 System-in-Package. Out of the box, you get everything you need to quickly get started. You get a 12-volt power supply, a micro SD card pre-flashed with Peta Linux, a micro USB cable for the all-important UART console access, a DisplayPort to HDMI adapter in case you only have an HDMI monitor, and finally the OSDZU3-REF development platform itself. To power up, all you have to do is plug in the given 12-volt DC adapter to the barrel jack at the top right corner of the board, connect an external monitor. If you have a monitor with DisplayPort, you can directly connect it to the board. If you have a monitor with HDMI port only, you can use the DisplayPort to HDMI adapter that comes in the box. Next, insert the micro SD card that comes in the box. Make sure the boot mode is ST1, that is 0101. Connect the micro USB cable between the board and the host computer for UART console access. Open a UART terminal on your host computer. I am on Ubuntu, so I'll be using the screen command to open it. You can use a serial client like PuTTY to do the same if you're on Windows. Let's list all the available serial ports over USB using ls command. ls/dev/tty_usb*. You can see that TTY-USB0 and TTY-USB1 are available. The UART console for OSDZU3-REF is generally available as TTY-USB1. The required baud rate is 115200, so I'll be doing sudo screen/dev/TTY-USB1 115200 to open the UART console. Since we are requesting super user privileges using sudo, it will ask for password. Put in your computer's password to proceed with the command. Now we are finally ready to power the board. Let's toggle the power switch and observe boot messages on the UART console. After about a minute, a desktop should appear on the external monitor as well. When you come across OSDZU3 disk expander prompt during boot, you can skip it until next reboot by pressing the letter N on the keyboard. This can be done later. Once you reach Peta Linux login prompt, use root for username and password. In case you want to directly develop on the board, you can attach a keyboard and mouse dongle to the USB-C port via a hub and use the terminal available on the board's desktop. For more detailed information on getting started, please refer to the Getting Started guide on our website.